So James.
Another maiden.
Another maiden, we're back. With another maiden, another jet. So the history, you said to me just now, you bought this off eBay.
Yeah, years ago, 3 years ago.
And it was a bit of a mess.
Yeah, it sat in a corner, and the last couple of months I've tinkered with it, stripped out the old brushed fans and put in some of these EDF fans, just cheap and cheerful, 64mm ones. 5,200 for
You
it.
said the guy had it set up as a tail dragger.
Yeah.
What was he
might
smoking?
Be watching. That's anything nasty.
He was high on something.
And then, put in some retracts as well.
Yeah.
Made a bit of a couple of holes in the bottom of it. Hopefully it's weighted right. It's just whether it will get enough speed up.
Well, I think you've done the right thing. You've put in this rather nice scale-looking runway to get the initial.
Yeah, just to get over that friction. So.
Yeah.
But the wind seems to be coming from all over the place today. Actually, I don't know if this will do more harm than good.
No, I don't think so.
What do you reckon?
No, I think it's a very good idea.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right, let me stand back a bit.
From kind of that way.
There's not a lot of it though.
There isn't. There isn't. At least it's downhill this way. What do you reckon? Abort some point in the halfway down? It's not looking like it's going to go.
Yeah, but you know what I said about holding back on the elevator? It's key just to get the nose up.
Yeah, but I don't want to stall it.
No, but you'll figure out as soon as it's about to lift, and then just reduce slightly. Don't let go of it.
Yeah, so hold in a bit of up all the way down, right? Or...
Yeah, because you're trying to get the nose off, but you don't want to hold it in and it climb out and, as you said, stall.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. I've got, if anything, it's slightly nose heavy.
Right, hold on. He's nervous.
Okay. Right, whilst we got the drop in the wind. Okay, we good?
Never better time. Oh wow! Jumped into the air. Get some height, James, and trim it.
Yeah.
Keep the speed up. I'd get the most out of the flight if I were you. 3 down.
3 down?
Yeah. Stand over here, James. Walk backwards so you can come in diagonal. James,
Yeah.
come over towards me.
Yeah. I'm going to turn on final. There.
Yeah. You're just standing the wrong side, really.
Way too quick.
Try coming up the hill, James. The wind's sort of coming down there.
I'll try one more approach from here.
I turn, yeah, power off. Oh, I'm gonna keep going. Power off, James. Power off. You're gonna glide. Power off. Wait until the nose comes up. I'm going to put the power on. There you go. And flare. And wheel comes up.
Everyone walks away.
Yeah, movable retracts.
Both? Oh. Oh my god.
Well, it's still in one piece, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a bit scary, but fun.
You coming in between me and you, yeah, that made it interesting.
Yeah, that was, it's quick, it needs flaps. So that's the next mod, I think.
Yeah.
Just get some flaps on
Yeah.
it and then come back for another try.
Otherwise, you've got to take the power off, like over in Fleet, and then glide in.
Fleet pot pond and then glide in.
Oh, well, it's down in one piece. Well done.
Yeah. Cheers, Dom.
Oh, wow. Jumped into the air.
Way too quick.
Wait until the nose comes up. I'm going to put the power on. There you go. I'd get the most out of the flight if I were you.